How absurd. How absolutely. Anyway, welcome. Welcome. Let us begin. Okay, then switch this off. Let it be. What if it switches midway? That would be nice. How have you been? We are so happy to be here. It has been a very long day for both of us.
Yes.
So, yeah.
But we had decided that we will do this, so we are here.
Thank you for joining.
Yeah.
How has your week been? Is what I always ask you. So, the dreaded question.
Honestly, it's been okay. Nothing great or anything, but we are surviving.
We are surviving.
Yeah.
We are trying to thrive, but we are right now okay with surviving. So,
Mm.
yeah. There's been a lot going on at my end also in terms of work, and like our dog wasn't well. So that was hectic and not fun to see.
Yeah.
But he'll get better. He's doing better already. So, yeah. Leo is just anyway. So we don't have
Come in the frame.
so we don't have the pomegranate with us today because, as you remember, in case you don't, we go live every Sunday, and we were going live for a while, and we started talking about the songs that we did in the Song a Month series. So the songs were written and produced and composed by me, and then the videos and the artwork and everything that goes into the visual identity of the song was done by Darshana, who is my sister. And it's great to have an in-house team. And it's actually funny because things are delayed with the current song. So like our interactions this week have been from like our rooms with like, is it done? And I'm like, no. And then I'm like, is your concept done? She's like, without your thing I can't do my thing. So I'm like, hey man, I'm trying. So it's been very fun. It's been stressful.
It's been
Let's not
stressful.
sugarcoat it. Yeah, I noticed you giving me side eye also. So just like, but anyway,
Yeah.
so we are trying. We are showing up and we are trying. So yeah. So we don't have the pomegranate today. Hi. We don't have the pomegranate today with us, but we would still love to talk about one of the songs. So I thought we could just go on my Apple Music or Spotify. You don't have Spotify. You have Spotify?
Yeah.
Apple Music. We will do Apple Music. And what's your password? Okay. And then we just go to my artist profile and then we click on shuffle. And then whichever song it lands on, we'll talk about it. Unless it's one we've already spoken of. What did we talk about till now?
Don't carry and good call.
That's it.
Yes, we only did 2 lives. This is the third one.
Man, I felt like we did more. I don't know why. Here is my artist profile on Apple Music. It's beautiful. So yeah. Okay, let me click on play. Clear queue. Good call came. So
We've already done good call.
yeah, so next song. A love song after all.
Mm.
Nice. This song is a bop. In case you haven't heard it. Okay, this is not a listening session. But I was like, oh, maybe they'll get bored. But anyway.
Mm.
Okay, so a love song after all. When was this? Oh my god, this one was the one that got delayed, na? Because the version was
Ah.
oh,
Mm.
okay. So basically
Loves to tell.
and now that that's so like in the past, I'm just like
I'm trying to remember what I did for the visuals, but now we didn't.
you were
we-
very clear about the visuals.
What do you mean? Anyway, you talk about the song first.
Okay.
She'll
So
explain the process of making the song.
a love song after all. The whole lyric is thank God it's not a love song after all. And it was written for the clouds, but also the weather that was there when I was living in London when I was completing my master's. And I discovered what seasonal depression is when I was there, and I didn't know that the weather would affect me so much, but it did. And I found out after I left. So
Oh, I had seasonal depression, guys.
and I was like, oh, there must be something wrong wrong with me? But then anyway, because when I came back and I was fine, because like we have sunlight and seasons and normal weather. So anyway, as I was enjoying my academic life, I was struggling with how like there would be no clouds in sorry, there would be no sunlight and no sun for like weeks. And I'm not saying 1 week. 1 week is also absurd to me, but like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, a whole month without seeing the sun. Can you even imagine what that is like? I mean, it was insane. Okay. And then like I would watch these like clouds just like sit there and then like move like little herds of sheep, but not like fluffy and cute and like nice. It's like the sheep that are like gray, and at night they're orange for some reason. I guess pollution, I don't know. But anyway, so the first
Maybe
line,
the sunset, the sun colors.
the sun wasn't there only, Asanaiki. It was a nice
The
orange.
sun was there behind the clouds.
But it wasn't a nice orange, is what I'm trying to tell you. I also love sunset orange. This
Okay,
was not
anyway.
like that, guys. So anyway, if you go to London, that's what it is. But it's a great city though. So anyway, when the first line itself says like, "Where you off to on your own, leaving me behind all alone. You've packed the sunshine as you left. So what am I to learn from this?" And this was for the clouds, because I was like, and I couldn't leave because I had to finish my degree, and it was like quite intense. And yeah, and there was no time for like other things also that time. I think it was very like self study, and even with my friends, like I did make friends, and like but we would study together. I think life there was very focused, which I liked, but the weather, no. So I had always imagined that I would end up living in London, do my PhD, and like live there with a dog. But when I lived there, I was like, "ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा मुझसे." So that's what A Love Song After All is about. That maybe it's not. I've been holding on to this dream, but maybe it's not a love song. And in the end, I'm like, thank God it's not a love song. Because when things don't work out, that is redirection, not rejection. So yeah, it was good. It was fun to realize that after I came back. But anyway, so yeah. And with the production of this song, I think Ajay was the one who I sat with the most for this song for like the guitars. And then once we had that, I did we yeah, we put the uke also. Like we recorded the uke just in case. So we ended up having the guitar and the uke coming in, and I knew I wanted like some instrument that would add like this sort of movement, which became the clarinet. Like I programmed it. I don't know how to play the clarinet, but it was programmed. And then what else? Yeah, cajon was something that we recorded a little late. We wanted there to be cajon in the song. We wanted percussion, which also I decided later, because first I was like, no, it's a sad song. Let it be like mellow. But then I heard the cajon on the song, which was actually her idea, and it was really good. So I was like, now I can't hear it without the cajon, so might as well get Kalyan to play the cajon on this song. And usually in like recording, like you should schedule your percussion first, and then you do the rest of the recording. But we could not get the time to record percussion first because of scheduling conflicts, and also there was something happening
But I
at
think it
that
worked
time.
out for the best.
It did. We did get like a good hit.
Yeah.
And then he ended up playing on Don't Carry the Weight of the World as well. So that was also good, because at the same time, I got to get the percussion done for both the songs. So it was great. Two birds in one stone. So yeah. And the mix of the song overall, I remember I struggled with this one a bit. You can check out the BTS if you want on YouTube. But the guitars were very loud.
Yeah,
Like
I
I
think this was
remember
the song where we had this thing, right?
Dharm Sankat.
Dharm Sankat. But where I was like, it needs to be slower.
Yeah.
Where
No, you said that for By the Sea. You didn't say it should be slower. You were like, it's sounding harsh. It was
No.
loud.
It was loud, and when I used to hear this song, it used like when you would sing it initially, it was very mellow and slower than what you made it. It's amazing, and then that's how this is the one you did with Nitin, right?
Yeah.
That's how
Yeah.
we both were thinking at the same time that
Yeah.
it needs to be only with a piano. It'll sound
Yeah.
amazing, and then Nitin happened to be in town that week, or I
Yeah.
don't know. and then you guys covered the song, and it's beautiful. It's on YouTube. It's only on YouTube, the acoustic, the piano
I'll do it.
version.
I'll release it everywhere else also.
I've been behind her to
Yeah.
release it everywhere else, but yeah,
That is the plan. We will.
yeah.
But yeah, I think that was the first time where I actually panicked with a song. Apart from losing the files for Good Call, which was in Jan, this was I think in Feb or March. Feb, yeah, because I felt like the song was too loud, and
Something was, yeah.
and I felt very conscious of like being able to communicate that with like my sound engineer. Everybody is great, okay? That was just me being in my head where I was like, I don't know if I'm saying the right thing. And then I think because that was what was holding me back from like sharing what I wanted to understand, I think I just let it go. Like there was a point where I was like, okay, fine, maybe this is what the song wants to sound like, so I'm not going to push further for hey. And I wanted to meet my deadline, so I was like let it be, I'll just put it up like as is. And I did. And then I think Tejas, who's my sound engineer from Grace Park, he sort of understood. Nitin also heard the song, and then he told us to like add bass and stuff, and we did that. And then Tejas was the one who sat on it later again, and he knew something was amiss, and like I couldn't put my finger on it.
So we had
Remember?
uploaded on the distribution side,
Ah.
and then we took it down, and then yeah, this is what happened.
Yeah.
And then finally he corrected
He
it.
corrected it, yeah. Like, matlab, he
And-
understood what I wanted to say, because I think like ear fatigue is a real thing where like you hear the same thing over and over again, and then that sort of makes you feel like nothing has changed. Like it sounds the same to you basically. So that is, I think, what had happened to both Tejas and me. Tejas though every day he listens, and I was like constantly listening for production stuff. So we weren't able to pinpoint it. So I fully freaked out, and I was like, just it's okay, just put it, and I put it. And then
but you weren't happy with
I
it.
wasn't happy with it.
So then I was like, remove it, delete it. And
Yeah.
then
Because then
I was like,
we-
it's fine as long as, I mean, it matters more that you put out a version of something that you like, even though we missed the deadline, right?
Mm.
That's
what she told
Yeah.
me. And I'm
Because
like,
she
this is
wasn't happy with
inconceivable,
it.
I don't know.
So I was like, just then try and figure out how
Yeah.
to get it to the level that you want it.
Yeah.
And then by God's grace, it happened.
Tejas
And
did
it
it.
worked out. And even though we uploaded the song late on the distribution
Yeah.
platform, it was a delay by 2 days or 3
Yeah.
days.
3 days,
Which is
because
fine.
there was a like weekend in the middle.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the team at TuneCore has been really helpful in terms of like coordinating the release stuff. So that was really, really good.
Yeah.
And then Nitin was there. Nitin, if you know him, he's Palindroma Music. Palindroma is his name. His Instagram handle is Palindroma Music, I think. But he is the pianist for Easy Wonderlings, and he does a lot of other cool production stuff. And he's a very cool artist himself, like as a solo artist also. So he was there. I was like, hey, do you want to play piano for this song? And he was like, yeah, sure, let's do it.
It's beautiful the way he's played it.
Yeah, I'm shocked. We recorded the music video for Love Song After All, which was the bouquet thing.
Here.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
that was when I think we spoke about it there.
Yeah,
only,
in the
na?
balcony, that video.
Cute. And then we were like,
So I was like, we've spoken about this before. Where have we spoken? Then I just remembered that it's that video, but we haven't released
we
it.
haven't put that the
'Cause we look
BTS.
dangerous.
We look very dangerous. We had not slept, and then it was just like so. We were rambling a
it's
little, but
okay.
yeah, I think since so many things were going out of here, I was like, let's just not put this up at that time
I think we can put it out.
randomly. Okay, I'll put it up as a part 2.1.
Yeah, maybe. Let's look at it once more.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was the music production side
Yeah.
of it. Then for the visuals, so we were already a little, I think, overwhelmed with the production so much that we didn't have much time for the visual stuff.
Yeah.
So what I did was so we have a balcony here, and the sun, I just noticed that every day in the evening the sun comes at 5:25.
She wrote the time
And-
down.
Yeah, and it was there for a span of like 5 to 6 minutes only,
Yeah.
and it would form a bokeh effect on the wall, and I was like, wow, that looks beautiful. And then we didn't have a video for the song yet, so I was like, okay, why don't we just, like, I thought of just setting up like a lamp and some pictures and stuff, like a mood board for the song basically I'd made. So instead of making a video that we wanted to do, I was like, it's fine, we'll just do a visualizer, a lyric video.
Yeah.
So the next day, then I set it up, and yeah, I took the bouquet. So I wanted, basically, I just made a lyric video of the movement of the sunlight, and it looks really nice.
Yeah.
It's just, it would have been, I had to add an effect to the video because of the
Say it, it's fine.
there's a lot of back shit on the on the wall, so I had to add an effect, because so that, it's not that visible, but otherwise I would have preferred to have it clean, like,
Yeah.
just like very
Same.
minimal hay, but it looks nice even with the effect. I think
Yeah.
it worked out well.
That is the reason why we didn't put up that clip of us at that day when we spoke about it in the BTS, is because we were complaining about the amount of bat poop there is on the wall.
Yeah.
And it's hilarious because the ceiling is covered. It's not like it's like an open to sky little balcony terrace, whatever.
Yeah.
So it's covered and still there is poop. Like these bats have found a way to like just anyway. I don't know.
And so yeah, that was the lyric video. And since she had the cover, like the piano version with Nitin, we were like, we already have a video as such.
Correct.
So that's why we didn't do a video. But then for Instagram, like for reels and stuff, we filmed, like, I like pictures. I had like
Yeah.
pictures that I had clicked, like photographs. We just had prints of those, and we just made like a mood board type thing for it.
Yeah. One more set she made basically,
Yeah.
which was here.
Mm.
There were actually two videos that you had in mind for this. Like one where you wanted me to sit there
Yeah.
and like sing,
Yeah.
but because the song is so
Because
energetic.
the song, yeah, and
Yeah.
I think it took time to finalize the song also. I think then
Mm.
when that happens, I think the visuals take the backseat, which is fine. Like,
Yeah.
that is since, because we have less time,
Yeah.
we do it like but I think it turned out nice. Even the album cover and all, like the song cover,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
really like. I made it on Canva.
It's great. I love it. It's very. She has really good taste. Okay, like I think I'm very lucky that I have a sister who just has like immaculate taste, and like she's able to make decisions so quickly when it comes to like visual stuff that I'm like, ye aapne process kab kiya? Because for me, I'm like,
This-
what's the difference?
This is what I have to go through. For this month's song also, guys. I have to do the same. We will talk about that when we talk about the song. But yeah, I mean, but it's fun. It has its own fun, I guess.
Yes, hi guys. Hello. Hello, how are you? Hi Aryan, I am good. How are you doing? How are your studies going? That's
Who's
nice.
Aryan, your
He's my
student?
student, yeah. So do not mind join. So yeah, it's been hectic. I don't know how we're gonna finish this. We're going to finish it. We're gonna finish this song, no doubt.
Which song?
This month's song.
This month's song. You want to give away the name? You've already given a last live.
Yeah, when I went live randomly in the middle of the day, I was like, let me just tell you. Should I? I can.
Yeah.
Okay, the song is called Little Faith.
For this month. For
Yeah.
The month of, what is this month? What is August?
Oh my god. Forgetting.
Yeah.
But this year has gone by really quickly, no?
Yes.
And
And I feel like August, no, it is. I feel like August is going by faster. I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
Don't you think so?
Mercury retrograde.
We're already on what, 23rd?
Yeah.
Correct.
It is yeah, I don't know how. We have arrived here, but we have.
Yeah.
Anyway, I think when things get really hectic, I just go into existential mode, which is not fun, I'm sure, for Darshana. But yeah. Thanks for your patience.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, this week, I don't know. Let's see how we're going to do things for Little Faith.
I so inspired by your originals. Do you produce them yourself? Please keep going. Thank you. Yes, I do. I do inspire. Oh my god. Sorry. No, I meant to say I do produce.
Yeah, she produces
Um,
it all on her own,
yeah.
and even I'm in awe of like her and her ability to do this, even though she hasn't learned it. So
Yeah, that's why sometimes it gets existential because I'm like,
yeah.
what button do I press to, like, it's like basic things. And then, yeah, I've had the chance to collaborate with some really great producers on this project. Like, I worked with Dhruv and JK for Walking Sunlight.
Mm.
I worked with Pushkar for Upward and Onward and Good Call. And like, I feel like I'm very lucky to be able to just be in the room with them, or like just understand how they work, what their process is, and like how they problem solve. Because with like creativity, you have to like catch the song. You have to catch a song, you have to catch the idea, and it's all sonic. Like, it's not something it's not tangible, right? So it feels good to learn from artists like them because they've been doing this for like years. And I'm just here like, oh, that thing that I cried over, it's that's where you click to like get what I want.
Yeah.
Anyway, um yeah, so
Come
it's
in the
good.
frame.
I am in the frame. What I
No, yeah,
say?
half your face is
Girl,
girl.
I'm good. Oh, I have taken admission in NIFT. Oh, I do listen to your
In NIFT,
songs.
wow,
They
amazing.
are one of the best stress busters. Thank you. Dude, this is great. I'm so happy to hear that you're in NIFT and like just enjoy yourself. I'm so happy for you, and I'm so happy that you're listening to these songs also. So thank you. Please share my music. Thank you. Okay. Because there's a lot of kids there. So I'm like, hey, that would be fun.
Yeah.
So yeah, but lovely. This is so nice. I'm glad we got back to our lives.
Are you a
So-
full-time musician? So happy to hear about everything. Yes,
I am-
She full-time musician.
She full time.
She
Yeah.
full-time musician,
And she
producer,
also-
singer-songwriter,
And I'm also
and a facilitator. Sorry.
no say. I'm like, is she
And a
saying it?
facilitator. and a facilitator. She teaches creative thinking and writing.
Yeah.
No?
Yes.
Sorry, now you say what?
No, that was good. Yeah. Yes, so I do music full time, and I am also facilitating, and yeah, learning a lot. It's gonna be a year next month. Yes, next month, September. That is crazy.
That
That
is
is like
crazy.
so cool.
That is crazy.
I think it's it's a huge privilege to sit here and say that. Can you also believe it? Because you've been making the visuals for all of them.
Yeah.
This mad girl.
It's mad.
Okay, next September live, we'll go every Sunday anyway. But like, I'm just saying, okay, like when we do our September 1 year mark wala live,
Mm.
we will get cake. You also get whatever sweet thing you want, because this is a huge, huge accomplishment,
Achievement.
Success.
Success.
Experience. Yeah, because with the first song, I was like, I'm putting this out in the world, and
Yeah.
then the dilemmas have definitely been evolving over the course of this whole series. So
Mm.
yeah, lots to share, lots to do. So yes, bring cake, your own, whatever you want to eat. Please bring. We will also bring. We'll get that banana cake from Theobroma,
Okay.
or you want pineapple pastry.
We'll decide then what I'm feeling in September. What I want. You don't have to decide it right now, is what I feel, but okay. You can have the banana bread.
It's really good. It's really
Banana cake, not bread.
good. See, I would have baked. It's not bread. It's cake.
Yes.
Banana cake.
Cake.
I would have baked, but I don't. I don't want
Please.
to commit to that.
She doesn't have time to bake and do all that. I had seen your sister's artworks too.
They're
so beautiful.
Oh, yeah,
Thank
guys.
you.
All of
That
like
means a lot, genuinely.
Yeah.
Thank you.
she has so many paintings, and she has so much like more work to share. So you should check out her first of all newsletter. It's called The Joyful Edit. So if you need joy in life and also reminders to be like, hey, it's okay, you should subscribe.
It's okay.
It is. That's what it is for me.
Yes.
And then you can also follow her on her Instagram, which is Darshana Mohite. So there's a double A. No, because there's a double A at the end.
Yeah.
So yeah. So you can check out her work, her photography, her arts, her perspective of looking at, like, you tell me who is going to find random spots of sunlight on a random wall in your house. Like, that's the kind of like stuff that she pays attention to, and I think it's a very nice eye. It's a very nice, like, what is it called, the art of paying attention.
Art of noticing,
Yeah,
paying attention.
it's very cool. So
Yes, thank you.
broke up in July, question mark. Yeah, that's also another song, Calendar to Get By, but it is not a part of this series, sadly.
Yeah,
Not sadly, I mean, it
it
was
was
before.
released way before, so
So yeah.
um,
And Anika, are we missing out on anything? There are two videos, right? Okay. With Nitin's video, the only thing I will say is the AC was not on. So if you see us shining, it is because we are sweating. You can see it's like, oh, flawless skin. That is sweat. That is us sweating because the ACs weren't working that day. And yeah, it was damn funny. And then it got so hot that after like two takes, because everything is closed, right? Because there's no supposed to be no sound in the studio, obviously. It was so hot. He was like, Nitin was like, I need to, like, let's just step out. Because like we couldn't sit there for long. And then even Sai was there for the to take the video. So funny. Mami sage like bahar gelo because we were just like can't.
yeah, no, but it's turned out really well, and your vocals in that live version, guys, they're so good. I've been asking her to release it so I can
I
put it on my
forgot.
playlist on Apple Music. But this girl,
I forgot. I'll do it. I'll do it.
yes,
Harsh, you both are the time. Thank you.
thank you.
You. So are you. Ugh. So yeah, we just. I miss this.
Miss what?
This going on live, talking
Yeah, today,
Reflecting.
guys, I was not in mood at all.
at all. Fair. You
But-
had your reasons, which were very
but-
valid.
But we were gonna come live last weekend, also we didn't. So
Yeah.
yesterday Radhika was like, "You're going live today, tomorrow," and then she's like, yes.
Because I was thinking about other things. I was like, I had other things on my mind.
Yeah. So we just want to get back to this, because once you break it off, like sometimes it's
Yeah, it's
difficult
harder
to get
to
back
set
on
the
track.
like
So we're
momentum
like,
again.
even though I wasn't in the mood, I was like, we must
Yeah.
do today's live. So
Yeah.
and we are grateful that all of you have joined as well to hear us talk about her music and her journey.
That's why I'm saying you all should also get something sweet in September. I'll tell you which Sunday. We must celebrate
We'll
together.
plan it accordingly, no?
Yeah. Or what? The live.
Yeah.
That's what. So we will tell them.
Yeah.
Get your sweet of choice. And we shall celebrate.
Yeah.
You can't tell
You can
in
even
the
do maybe like a mini
live.
concert.
I can. I actually can.
Yeah. Why not?
Hello. Yeah, we can.
Don't you guys think she should have like more live concerts, or just
I actually want to perform at like smaller like venues where I can just be like me and a guitarist or something. So like very acoustic,
set?
intimate set, because like I've always wanted to do those. Yeah. Yeah. I'd love to do that actually. I really love your song that goes. Radhika, you are the younger sibling. No, don't ask this question. Don't carry the weight of the world.
Radhika, you are the
PSM.
younger sibling, no? You guys give that vibe. Guys, what do you guys think?
Stop it.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
The reason why she loves it is because when people are like, oh, who's the older one and who's the younger one, everybody assumes, look at that. Everybody assumes that I am like the older one and she's the younger one. Look at the youth on her face. Okay, clearly. So it always makes her feel good.
Yes.
Great. I'll give you. Enjoy. Wow, there's a lot of comments coming. Hold on. PSM. Yes, I played PSM. Don't carry the weight of the world on your shoulders. You like that song? It's about my granddad. Thanks. I'm glad that you like it. You guys you should play at PSM for a small show. We
Yeah,
can
I mean, you
actually,
can
we can.
again.
Yeah, I don't know. Can I go again? Didn't I play this year? Last year?
Yeah, I mean, if people want to come, nothing is stopping you playing the same venue again.
Okay. Dinner time. I've got to go, but your songs are amazing, amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much.
How?
I mean, it'll be better listeners part 2. Correct. It will be better listeners club part 2.
Ah,
Um how did you start writing in English? Because as Indians, we tend to stick to writing in Hindi or native language. How did you start off? So the issue was,
there's no issue.
I mean, a lot of people. Okay, okay, okay. It's a great question. Why I'm saying like this is because I wasn't like I was born in Pune, but when I was at the age where you go to school to learn a language, we were in Chennai at the time, and they taught English, and I loved my English textbooks a lot to a point where I would speak only in English, and I barely spoke any Marathi or Hindi, as a matter of fact. So
Yeah, she wouldn't speak. She just loved English. I think English is her
yeah,
mother tongue. That's what like our parents also say.
yeah.
So I think it just comes naturally to her, and she
Because I
she
love the books. Like I remember
yeah.
one my aunt like, and in Chennai it's not like we had like a lot of books or like we had a lot of things and stuff like that. Like we um humble beginnings for our family also. And I remember the one book that my mom got me, this book which was like, this is cat, this is dog, and I was in kindergarten, so I loved it. But my Maushi gave me this book for what was it? Bambi, the Disney's Bambi.
But that
And
was in Mumbai, right?
no,
That
that
was
was
in
in
Chennai.
Chennai. And
Ah, oh,
I remember I used to like underline because I didn't know how to read properly then, but I remember I would sit with that book for hours like a
damn.
obsessed person because I loved the pictures and I was like, I can read this because I love the font because the font looked a certain way. So I
Yeah.
was just like, yahi hai life mein kitab padne ka, or like I wanted to like write my
She must
own
have read that book more than 100 times.
fully. I used to keep
That's
track at
how
a point.
obsessed she was.
So
And
yeah.
then I think after that, Matilda.
Yeah.
Mm.
I
But
loved it.
yeah,
My cousin gave me Matilda,
who?
so Harshu had given it,
Ah.
and but I think Atya had chosen it, is what he told me later. Because for Rakhi, like he was also young, but anyway.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think I loved the stories. I got exposure to stories in English primarily then, and I was in a school in Chennai where they taught the language really well. So I
Yeah.
think that was what made me feel comfortable to express myself in English more. And I think now it's changing a little. I think the way I think is becoming Marathi and English, so it's not just English. So yeah, and I think songs just arrived. They arrived as poems at first, and then yeah, I would start gungunofying something, rewrite Twinkle Twinkle, and yeah, it just evolved.
Yeah.
So yes. Um, Oh, you missed the PSM gig last year. This year I performed at BYOH also though, but I don't perform enough actually. That's a very good point. I will do something about that because I actually do want to do more shows after this.
Yeah, so once her series,
Yeah.
it's gonna get over like in October. So we do want to perform all these songs live, right?
Someone's like, LMAO, why is Bombay Hair Company here? Just be like, okay.
What do you mean?
I think I was on their reel or something
Oh,
when they gave me the haircut, or maybe that is why. Because I was always there. Oh, or maybe they meant like Bombay Hair Company joined. I don't know. But anyway, I think that is it.
what did you mean by that? Who said it? What do you mean? Can you explain?
Hey Radhika, huge fan of your singing and just your calm aura. Got to know about you through love. He and I went to Warriors and we were in the same batch. Oh, nice. Thank you. Thank you for.
Bombay
See,
Hair
Bombay Hair Company joined.
Thanks for explaining. She goes there for haircuts, so I think that's why they joined.
Yeah. I'm good friends with the folks at Bombay Hair Company, so they're all very, very kind. And yeah, but yes, thank you for listening to my songs, and I hope to see you at some of the gigs. So yeah,
Yeah.
I just we need to perform more.
Yes.
Where? We need to figure out where.
I
and
think
how.
where is not the. There are a lot of venues. I think we need to figure out,
Schedule?
yeah, like when and like if people would be interested in coming.
Yeah.
So yeah.
When calendar released, I was near my due date, and once my little one was born, I said, "Oh, sang it over so often, still do 3 years later."
That is the
Guys,
most sweetest thing ever. I'm gonna take a sweet. Oh,
you have like,
made our day.
yeah. I think you had messaged then also, or maybe Love told me about you because I remember hearing this that someone was expecting and that they sang to their baby.
That is the sweetest thing
I
ever.
cannot. I think this is like the most memorable moment in this whole series for me right now. So.
Yeah, even one of our cousin, he had a baby, and then
Yeah.
they would play the music. Which
Yeah.
I think it was Blue Sky.
Bursting. No, bursting. It was the first one.
Yeah, and he would be like,
He would
listening to
like
it.
straight up like dance like he's at like a.
He's tiny.
He's very tiny. He was like barely a year old. So hello. So yeah, it's I can't. Thank you so much for listening and for singing the song to your baby.
Yeah, I think it helps her keep going when she gets such feedback and that you guys genuinely like the music. So it helps a lot.
Yeah. So thank you.
Mhm.
Won't
think
cry
this-
today.
This
but-
month's song is also really nice, so I hope you guys like it.
Yeah.
But it's going to be released only on YouTube first, and then it will be released
everywhere else.
everywhere else.
It's coming on all these things. That's not the issue. It's just I missed the deadline for you have to upload a month in advance, so I didn't do that.
Yeah, because there was a lot of
So-
other things going on.
Yeah.
So, but it's going to be out.
Yeah.
That's what's important.
Yes.
Something
We will not
it's
miss
going to be
this
there.
one
Mm.
at all. We must not.
Yeah.
Fun.
Okay. Anything else? Are we missing anything? Do you want to share any new music? Yes, that's what we do, right? Any new
music?
song?
Oh, I was
that
like,
you-
what are you saying? New song. Oh my god, I had one. Oh my god.
Okay. Oh, so
Come on and hold me just like you told me. Steal Away. Robert Dupree or something. And I think it's an old song, but I just fell in love with it again. And I was listening to it on my way back. I'd stepped out for a bit and then I was in my rickshaw on my way home and I'm listening to it and I was like, yes, this is very nice. So, yeah.
What is it called?
Steal Away.
Bye.
Robert, I think. Dupree. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, this is the one, the first one. It's very old school. It also, for some reason, reminds me of Ice Age, though it's not an Ice Age.
You can share it once the live is done.
Yeah. You know this one, I've played it.
Yeah.
What's your song?
Wait, it's so loud. Okay. Is there anything new? I don't think I've heard anything new, but I've been just re-listening to Oh?
Material Lover.
Material Lover. Yeah, I like that song. It's nice. And I also have been listening to Ray.
Mm. Where is my husband?
Where is
No,
my
no.
husband? No, the
The-
Flip a Switch
Mm.
is a nice one, and another one,
The Thrill is Gone.
The Thrill is Gone. Oh, it's so good! It's so good. I really
Yeah.
like a thrill. The Thrill is Gone.
She
It's
watches
so good.
Yeah, she watches the live performance at the O2, the one that she's I think
Yeah.
put up on Prime now, but
Yeah,
It's really
we'll
good.
share it once the live is done. It's really good, guys. You have to watch it. I think she's phenomenal. Like
yeah,
I wanna go for her concert at least once. You know, you have to
Yeah.
experience that. But yeah,
and she's like she's it. I'm saying like she looks like she's authentic. Of course, she's authentic. Like it feels real. Like when she performs and like she like laughs or like she'll do like a little dance or something.
yeah.
And in the
The
Thrill
way
is-
she comes onto the
I
stage only is
know.
so cute. I'm like, dude, this woman is too cool. She's like a powerhouse.
yeah,
So I don't know. I really like her music.
she was actually one of the first artists who, like, I after I started this Songman series, she said that she was independent. So I was like, oh, that's really cool. And then she spoke about how, because like you assume that people with this kind of visibility would have managers taking care of like a lot of things. And I'm sure she has managers, but she was very hands on about that show that she did, where it was a huge like personal expense also for her to get the orchestra to play behind her, and like incredible, like the
That's like
yeah,
the
the goal,
goal, right?
dude, like if I could,
Someday. Oh,
oh my god. So
yeah.
yeah, I'm in awe. And she mentioned that like she had to coordinate for like the production and like everything, and how they did the arrangement for like all of the songs. And if you listen to the album, even if you have Apple Music, you don't have access to, of everybody has access to YouTube, but in case you don't, she's put up the album on YouTube, I think under the 21st Century Symphony. And she's put it up on Apple Music. That's what it's called. And in that, you can hear it in the right sequence. And she talks about, like, she's put orchestral intros between each songs, and they sound like they're right out of like Disney, or
Yeah.
like really old, like old
Yeah.
school music that was like from like the 60s.
Yeah.
And I'm like, yes, this is it, this is the vibe, this is what we want. And she just like, she delivered, and like how it was amazing. You're right. Like the favorite moment, you can just watch the first one, which is what's the first one? Oscar-winning tears. So that's when she enters the stage for the first time. Like she comes on stage, and she like just walks in like a boss woman. Like she like, I don't know, walks or saunters, but she is like a force, and it was incredible to like just watch that performance. I think if you see that, you'll end up watching all of them.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a great artist to pick.
Mm.
This is a Ray fan club.
Yes.
Welcome. You have been initiated.
Yeah. I wish these artists would come to India also. But I think now things are changing and people are coming, so it'll happen.
God knows.
Come on, Radhika.
What?
Start performing more. So, I don't know, maybe eventually you can also perform in such big venues.
Yeah.
Wow.
That is the dream.
Wow. Imagine the set design we can do and like the wardrobe. And
You should prepare now, because I bet we won't have time to plan all that time. So prepare now. Manifest.
yeah. Mm.
Like,
So, yeah, I think that's about it for today.
love song. Yeah.
A love song after all by Radhika Mohite.
Fun.
Yeah.
I wonder how I'll feel a year from now, after like this series is done. I wonder what we'll be up to next year. I mean, I kind of know, but also I kind of don't. It's like 50-50.
Yeah.
So
Exciting times ahead.
I hope you are still listening to the songs next year also. No pressure. But
Yeah.
I think for now, I'll focus on getting the song out this week, finishing the visuals, helping Darshana basically, and then figuring out live shows. So we can
Yes,
perform.
live shows.
I want to perform in Bombay. I know, like,
Yeah, I
quite
think
a
you should
few
go to like
venues.
Bombay, Bangalore. But I mean, I think you can take a poll like where is your audience? You can like
Yeah.
ask everyone and then go
And then go.
and perform. Yeah.
Yeah. We shall see. Cool. Cool.
Cool.
Thank you for being here. Thank you for your company and for listening. I think today's the first time we got so many questions
Yeah.
in the live. So thank you. I really appreciate that. And yeah, see you next Sunday. Regular programming.
Yes. Next Sunday.
Oh geez, no. So yeah.
Yes.
All right. Have a great evening and have a beautiful week. Remember to take care of yourself,
Yes.
and it will always be okay in life, no matter how stressful it might get. So,
Yes.
okay, bye.
Bye.